Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve the first problem in Geeks or Geeks weekly coding context. Guys, I uploaded a second solution of the second problem in my yesterday. Guys, you can check that problem. Guys, Bob's impression problem name is today we are going to solve problem first problem in Bob. This question is very simple problem, but there are some corner cases. Corner cases. If you handle some corner cases, then you will finish this problem easily. In an assembly ground of school, the class teacher needs to arrange the students in a non-decreasing order of the heights. Mr. Elias, the vice principal, is impressed by any class teacher who can arrange the students of their class in non-decreasing order of heights by swapping the position of exactly two students once. Exactly two students. Guys, here main point in the problem is this point. Like swapping the two students exactly once. We should swap two students two students in one swap. We should do one swap in two students. We have to do one swap in two students. Guys, observe, in one swap in two students, we should perform this operation. So the heights of the students are non-decreasing order. Non-decreasing order means, guys, non-decreasing order means that is increasing order or equal order. This is also non-decreasing order. Here we are not seeing any decreasing here. 5 5 6 6 7 8 8. This is also non-decreasing order. Guys, here what he mentioned in the question is we have to do the one swap. All students should be in non non-decreasing order. Okay guys. Now guys, you guys read the question and try to understand here. Guys, here what I am doing is uh, how to swap. I am so non-decreasing order means what idea we comes in our mind. We have to sort that, right? So I sorted that array, and I am taking the original array. I am storing the original array in another array. So for example, you vector int temp is equal to arr. Temp is equal to arr. So guys, here sort arr dot begin comma arr dot end. Arr dot begin, arr dot end. Okay guys, observe guys, sort I just sorted. If observe, if arr is equal to temp, if arr is equal to temp means temp is a original array. Arr is a we sorted that array. If arr is equal to temp, now guys, here if arr is equal to temp, there are two cases possible. One case is like, suppose if 1 2 3, if 1 2 3 is original array, if we sort this array 1 2 3, then we get the same array. So in these cases we have to return false. By doing one swap, we can if you do any two swaps here, if you do 2 comma 1 3, it becomes 2 1 3. So we have to return false here, because if you do any one swap, we miss the order. The number are actually not in the order. So guys, if you swap these two, 1 3 2, okay, 1 3 2, so we miss the order. We are not getting original order. So guys, so if after sorting and before sorting the array is same, then we have to return false. But it, in some cases we have this, right, 1 comma 2 comma 2. We have these corner cases. I struck here. So guys, I lost so much time in the exam. So guys, 1 comma 2 comma 2, in these cases we have to check, is there any element we can swap this 2 comma 2. So but order is in non-decreasing order. The order is in non-decreasing order. So guys, here what I am doing is 1 comma 2 comma 2, 1 comma 2. So we can swap here, we can swap. If the two elements are adjacent elements, then we are returning true. We can, because we can swap. If two elements are adjacent elements are equal, after sorting, if two adjacent elements are equal after sorting. uh, so guys so guys, we can return true here. Observe guys here. No, now I am taking one. If here two arrays are equal, but we have to check some cases. ARR of I, if ARR of I, you can take temp of I because both arrays are equal here. If ARR of I is equal to ARR of I plus 1, I plus 1, in such cases I have to return true because we can swap those equal elements. The order is not changing. Else means, observe here one more thing. If two arrays are not equal, else if two arrays are not equal, so we have to take one count variable. If count is equal to 0, what I am doing is, here guys observe, if both are not equal, then ARR of a sorted array. It is sorted array. The ARR of a is actual non decreasing array. Temp of I is virginal array. The positions of the both are not equal. If it is equal to 2, if count is equal to 2, we can swap them. If count is equal to 2, we can swap them. Return true. Else if count is equal to 1 or count is equal to 2 or count is equal to 3, or any other things. For suppose if we have, let's check guys. uh, for example, 1 3 2, we can do the swap 2 and 3. So when we get 1 2 3, so here not equal places are how many? Not equal places are 2. Count is equal to 2. Okay, count is equal to 2 guys. So sorry, we have to return true, else we have to return false. Else we have to return false. I am submitting this code now. I'm doing the final submission. Guys, here submitted successfully. One more thing I want to say here is, for suppose if count is 1 is possible, or is there any count is 1 is possible after sorting? Count 1, I think it is never possible because uh, for suppose for count never 1 is never possible. Let's here, if count is possible, count is equal to 1. If count is equal to 1, just I'm checking guys for fun, like it is count is 1 is possible. 67 I am returning. Just I'm submitting this code. Guys, count 1 never possible because to swap the elements we need at least 2 elements, right? Count 1 is never possible. So here if we okay, let's check it is here the 0. Yeah, it giving count 1 is never possible, I think. Yeah, count 1 is because to swap the elements we need at least 2 elements. Guys, if you have any doubts, please ask me. This is a simple code, but here we have to check this logic only. That's why I did a video on that. This guys, if you have any doubts, please ask me.